I'm going to start doing a series of videos on using special effects. But to start this off, I'm going to capture a directory of images and turn them into a video. This directory is a picture of my nieces and Myra and a couple girls in the neighborhood, and I want to turn them into a video. Now, I can't remember all this code, so I save my code in a database. And I have a video about this, and I'm going to do another. I'll probably do a few because this is a really good thing to use. What I put in here is FFmpeg. That's the name of the database, the name of the Python file that opens the database. And I want to do a direct search of everything. And I want to find the words video. Images to video. And there's the command. It's that easy to remember instead of trying to remember all this script all the time. Now, the one thing you have to be careful, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not, is if I capture the wrong thing in there, it will auto-execute. I don't want that to happen. Okay, there it is. If I capture that last character, that blank space, if I do that and I capture it, it will auto-execute. What this does, it says FFmpeg at the rate of 3 pictures per second, load these images. And if you notice, that format is a 2 digits, capital I, capital M, capital G, JPEG. And if you use that format to save your images in any directory, this script will work to make you a video. Now, I do know that the images in that directory are scaled at 1280 by 720, but if they weren't, this would automatically scale the images to that size. For video, I'm using HD 264. My frame rate, the actual frame rate of the video is 30. And the PIX format is to load those pictures in a format that can be turned into a video. And right here, this will make the video. Enter, and the video will be made. It's being made right now. It's a very small. You get depreciations in these things sometimes, and don't worry about it. That's life. A lot of times people say depreciate, or this isn't right, maybe I got a problem, and it's just, these are warnings, and it doesn't mean anything wrong. The video will come out fine. Now, this will take every one of the images and put it through. Now, if you were to look at the images in there, you would see that some images were duplicated. Now, the images duplicated will last a little longer because it'll play that image twice. And that's what gives the different lengths in the when you see this video. And here is the video of the images. And notice they're not exactly timed the same because a few of them were duplicated more than once. Now we can change the setting in there and say, okay, let's put more images. Let's make this go pretty fast in here. We're going to try to get 4 of them in a second. And let's call this file images 4. And it will change the speed that the images are shown at. If you were to put it on 1, it would show 1 per second. Luckily, there's very few images in there, so this movie is made really quick. The thing about FFmpeg is when you find a command that works good and works for you, either enter it in a database or write it in a script and save it, because there's so many different things you'll be using that there's this no way you're gonna, what do I call that, images 4? That you're gonna remember all the commands. There, just a little bit faster. That's only 11 seconds. Now we're going to do some things with this video and a couple others. We're going to take this and turn it into a black and white video. A pure black and a pure white video is not an easy thing to do. I haven't found the FFmpeg command, and I can't find online